Over half of Conor McGregor's presidential campaign posts on X have been found to contain false or misleading claims. Researchers from the European Digital Media Observatory Ireland and Dublin City University have analysed 127 campaign-related posts from McGregor since the start of 2025. They found that 58% of these posts misrepresented the Irish Constitution, the presidency, and Irish history. While McGregor is no longer seeking a presidential nomination, the report warns that his content has normalised extremist ideas. That includes false claims about presidential powers, personal attacks, ethno-nationalist ideas, and even threats of political violence. The study concludes that political misinformation was central to McGregor's campaign. The spread of these false claims was amplified by ex-owner Elon Musk, as well as appearances on international platforms, such as Tucker Carlson's YouTube channel and Fox News. With the help of these endorsements, McGregor's content has been viewed over 108 million times.